So our energy resource is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element on the periodic table. Hydrogen is an inexhaustible resource and it is nearly impossible for the universe to ever run out of it. Now, the history of hydrogen. In the 1950s, hydrogen was used mainly by NASA as rocket fuel. There are the two most common ways to create hydrogen are steam reforming and electrolysis. There are more ways, but those are the most common. The most common ways that hydrogen is made useful is by the petroleum industry to treat metals, produce fertilizer, and to process food. Of the most two common ways is steam reforming and electrolysis. Steam reforming is the more common one. It is commonly used to separate methane, which is CH4, but it releases carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide emissions. This method uses steam to produce hydrogen from a methane source. So half the pics are cut off, so I put a freeze frame in, so yeah. The other common way of the two common ways is electrolysis. Electrolysis splits hydrogen from water using an electric current. It produces emissions such as hydrogen and oxygen, so it's more environmental friendly than steam reforming. Steam reforming is more common than electrolysis because although it is cleaner, it takes more energy, so it also costs more. Manufacturers obviously want the one that's cheaper. So this is about hydrogen in motion. A hydrogen fuel cell coupled with an electric motor is 2 to 3 times more efficient than a standard internal combustion engine running on gasoline. Hydrogen has a low volumetric energy density, which makes it easy to store in moving vehicles as compressed gas. Gas also pollutes and it sucks. So the problem with creating hydrogen cars is the cost. The cost of hydrogen must be less than or equal to $4 because gasoline is $4 or less. If it were more, it would not be cost efficient, only environmental efficient. If it is not cost efficient, then it will not be bought by customers. The HFIRSTP abbreviation stands for Hydrogen Fueling Infrastructure Research and Station Technology Project. The project was started to reduce the cost and time of fueling station construction, increasing station availability, and to increase reliability by gathering and studying the use of hydrogen as an energy resource. In the future, it is thought that hydrogen will be used in all aspects of our daily life. The energy source can be made safely from renewable energy sources. We can use it as a substitute for gasoline, using it in different scenarios such as fueling zero-emission vehicles, producing electricity, and fueling aircraft. It's virtually non-polluting and cuts greenhouse emissions. Currently, there are little emissions that come from using hydrogen, but the goal is to create zero emissions.